Chalk color is a very effective training tool. Contrary to popular belief, chalk colors are safe for your dog's health if handled properly, of course. This leather chalk color will help you to achieve incredible results in obedience training. Dog handlers and dog trainers all over the world choose this silent leather chalk color because it doesn't damage your dog's fur and helps to train your pet faster. Full-grain, carefully selected leather makes this color a long-lasting item. The leather is soft, flexible, strong, and resistant to tear and wear, which is very important if you walk and train your canine every day. Solid rings are almost unbreakable. They are made of brass, which makes them resistant to rust and corrosion. Besides, brass prevents allergies in most cases and discoloration of your dog's fur. This color will serve your dog for many years.